We've treated illness for centuries. Now we're starting to treat aging itself. And if what scientists are unlocking is right, we might not just extend life, we might reinvent it. Welcome to the age of regenerative medicine, where the body repairs itself, the mind stays sharp, and growing old could become a decision, not a destiny. Researchers are restoring damaged tissue, resetting cellular age, and regenerating entire organs from scratch. The aim? Not just to add years, but to restore function, clarity, and youth. It starts with senescent cells, the malfunctioning cells that refuse to die. They spread inflammation, damage surrounding tissue, and drive the aging process. New senolytic therapies remove them like garden weeds, allowing healthy cells to thrive again. Telomere extension is next. These DNA caps shorten with every cell division, but new interventions aim to restore them, delaying everything from heart disease to cognitive decline. Then there's epigenetic reprogramming, using techniques like Yamanaka factors to reverse cellular identity. In mouse studies, it restored sight. In human cells, it's unlocking rejuvenation potential we're only beginning to understand. But we're not stopping at the cellular level. We're re-engineering tissues and printing organs using stem cells. Livers, skin, corneas, created without donors, without rejection. Wounds healed with your own skin. Burns repaired without scarring. Cosmetic aging? It's being rewritten from within. Forget superficial treatments. The future lies in exosomes, collagen regeneration, and bioactive skin scaffolds that make aging harder to detect. Because it's not happening the same way. And the tools are evolving fast. Nanorobots, just microns wide, are being designed to clear arterial plaque, detect early tumors, and deliver precise medication at the cellular level. Imagine a medical team that lives inside your bloodstream. Alongside this, lifestyle science has exploded. We're not guessing anymore. We're mapping the effects of sleep, fasting, sunlight, stress, and food, all the way down to molecular signatures. Longevity isn't just in the lab, it's in how we live, what we eat, and what we avoid. And fertility? We're seeing the early phases of ovarian regeneration. Reversing menopause may soon be a choice. It's not immortality, it's prolonged vitality. But let's ask, what does this future look like? Maybe 120 becomes a healthy norm. Maybe people take cognitive resets at 85, reset immune systems at 100, and switch out organs like we service cars. Childbirth at 70? Plausible? Careers that span 100 years? Not science fiction, workforce planning. Perhaps you'll have multiple lives in one. But longevity brings questions. If we remove decline, what challenges take its place? What does meaning look like in a life that never fades? As emotional beings, we're not just managing biology, we're navigating connection, loss, and memory. The body might renew, but the heart remembers. Yet even that might change. Neural regeneration and brain-computer interfaces suggest a future of enhanced memory, emotion regulation, even memory editing. And the frontier stretches further. Quantum biology, computational genetics, and multi-omics analysis will let us simulate decades of cellular response in seconds. We won't just treat disease, we'll prevent it before it begins. With a precision that makes current medicine look like guesswork. We're building a biological future that scales with ambition. But will we live to 1,000? The science is opening that door. But how we step through it, with wisdom, restraint, and imagination, is up to us. Perhaps the future won't belong to those who live the longest, but to those who know what to do with time when they have enough of it. If you're still here, your curiosity might just outlive everything. So subscribe and join us at Smart Reels, where science dares to imagine more.